Okay, welcome back. I hope this is correct because this is the third time I record this video. Welcome back to your Spanish class. Now, this is our last conjugation for the present tense verbs. We are recording now for IR, the verb IR, and we're going to be working with our last exercise for the present tense conjugation IR from the textbook. And remember that here, these exercises, although you're getting them from Schoology, you have access to these exercises from the Ms. Prado's classroom website. So if you want to go back to them, you don't only have it on Schoology, you can have access also through the web page. I included here in the page a chunk of the conjugation chart from the verb vivir, because this is the only verb you're going to be working with today from IR. And I'll explain that a little bit ahead. Remember that when we're conjugating the verb IR, we remove your ending, like always, the I and the R, and we're changing it for these letters here at the end, el final. And we remove this, like we practice in the conjugation chart, depending on the pronoun and the noun. So it will look like this: yo vivo. Okay, let me put this bigger so you can see it better. There we go. Yo vivo. Tú vives, él, ella y usted vive, nosotros vivimos, ellos, ellas y ustedes viven. Okay, so I am leaving this here for you to use as a reference. Also, like in the previous pages, I included the part of the textbook that explains this, so you can use this as a reference. And you know, this is not an exercise, but and just a reference. The exercise that you will be working with today is exercise 13, and it's only a written exercise, not recorded, just written. So in this case, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be working with a paragraph. Do not panic. It's actually not harder than the previous ones. It's the same. Now, let me clarify something. Like the previous one, it is very important that you write your entire paragraph. Remember, you are not allowed to write only the word for answer. You have to write your entire paragraph. If you're using the iPad, you can type it. Si estás usando el iPad, puedes teclearla. Y si estás usando el papel, la puedes escribir. Okay? But you cannot only write the answer, the word as an answer. No puedes solamente escribir la palabra como tu contestación. If you do that, that will equal a 0. Si haces eso, definitivamente vas a obtener un 0 como tu calificación final en el ejercicio. Now, let me give you number 1 as an example. Remember, you're only going to be using the verb vivir. Solamente vas a estar utilizando el verbo vivir. In the first one, you have nosotros blank aquí en San Juan. Okay, nosotros blank aquí en San Juan. So the same way we did it previously, we're doing it now. Nosotros is the pronoun. So we go and we look for nosotros here, and we already know that we're going to remove that IR and we're going to replace it for IMOS. Vivimos, and that is our conjugation. Nosotros vivimos. Therefore, my sentence will sound like this. Nosotros vivimos aquí en San Juan. We live here in San Juan. Okay, so that will be your first answer. Nosotros vivimos aquí en San Juan. If you have any question, you are more than welcome to send me a message in Schoology. Please be patient for me to answer the messages. I have 3 classes online with different classes, actually, different preps. I have Spanish 1, 2, and Fluent, plus all my classes here in the classroom, and 2 other classes that I am helping that are not from Spanish. So if I don't answer right away, I am not ignoring you, okay? I'm just trying to help all my students equally. Uh, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.